Remember money Roma.
Now straight up, Luther stories you know they told you I said Miami Heat a club back into series you know in the NBA Finals 2023. Abaya 1-1. Heat a winning and draw 1-1 as against 108.4. The Denver Nuggets. For the first time during this postseason, Denver Nuggets lose a game on home court.
Oh, okay.
Until all the teams share Minnesota Timberwolves, the Phoenix Suns, the LA Lakers, none of them was able to win. Denver Nuggets fee. And Miami Heat after losing game 1, winning game 2, almost still home court advantage. No, send it to me yes, I know. And I'm here some key takeaways from the game. In Tiensha here straight up. Now you have got one. Jokic now 41 points. But Macheo Debia said NBA no, it is not just the star.
Yes.
But we had the supporting cast to also support na omopia omodemba odemano na nyoma him. And that is exactly what did not happen right for Denver Nuggets team. No, Jokic was scoring. But Yenim Jokic said he's a three-dimensional player. Obeshe, he's a scorer. Or dominating boss in terms of rebounds, and he's a facilitator.
Yes.
Entina Debiano Tenya triple-double, assist, rebounds, and points. But Endra, it was just the rebounds and the points no a double-double. The assist was 4. Assist no met me my pass a solid. But so one convert here, it doesn't become an assist. So the efficiency of your teammate and a boa Emma assist ratio no etimi push costro. So if Jokic had 4 points and 4 assists Endra, the demonstration I'll be and say it wasn't a good shooting night for the likes of Michael Porter Jr., Kentavious Caldwell-Pope, and then Jamal Murray. Murray 18 points, but it was below the level, especially the watcher so far in this postseason. In Tiabahadini Ababesha, you will see clearly said the Denver Nuggets players, or more field goal attempts. It was through, but in terms of efficiency, a idea was from Jokic Nankasa to 28 field goal attempts or making him 16. But Obana Jamal Murray made 7 out of 15. 7 out of 15 no make here. A below the was set standard I was set so far. Oba Aaron Gordon 5/7 impressive. But Oma Mebubo Dino, Mebo Kentavious Caldwell-Pope. Yenim the efficiency right from the Lakers or the Aquacura. Now the efficiency you see from distance 3-point range. But Endra, he made just 1 field goal out of 4 attempts. And over 3-pointers now, it was 1 out of 3. So clearly, the players you expect saw mobile contributing point and they are supplemented their Jokic. They did not show up. Michael Porter Jr., 2 field goals made out of 8 attempts. Or they called the Miami Heater. It was a contrasting one for them. Heat Ninya, the supporting cast, pushing even on a night when Jimmy Butler a very good scoring night, only 20-something. There was Gabby Vincent on the top score for the Miami Heat. Miami Heat not less than 3 players of theirs contributing double figures. So clearly, and there Jokic, the teammates no, omo etimi eboano, and Oba Beshawa Hadia in the second half, for instance, Miami Heat be taking control no. Jokic outscored the rest of the Denver Nuggets team no. Third quarter no dominating in terms of points. But look at third quarter and the fourth quarter boom, which comprises the second half now. Abu Jokic had 28 points. The rest of the Denver Nuggets team in the second half had 23 points. So it means that they were not supporting him as they were supposed to. And Nambwa, Emmanuel, Anko Yamfamo. To the other takeaway, Miami Heat actually say they are a fourth quarter dominant side. Mechanics actually say, only your mobile, now watch your mumu senkra. Say game name baby, yeah. Don't celebrate yet. They have always shown resilience during this postseason, and they are part of the Heat culture. Heat, say Omachika from by double figures cry. They find a way to bounce back, not just this season, but in previous seasons when they've dominated the postseason. And Tomu take charge of the fourth quarter, and then replicate what they did in game 1. Even game 1, no Mulusu Yenabu, Omu winning the fourth quarter by 10 points.
Yes.
30 points scored. 20 for Denver. Okabomua, 10 more than what Denver had. So they are a good finishing team. But in the first game and game 1, no, in the first quarter they lost by 9 to the Denver Nuggets. But Miami was able to turn the tables around. They started well and then they ended well. And to check here, clearly you will see that the summary, Miami won the first quarter by 3 points. and obey the second quarter, the fourth quarter, no, by 11 points. So they started well and they ended well. Denver dominated in between, but along the line, Omulusu focused and Miami capitalized, and which was a positive for a Miami Heat team. Now, when they were dominating the supporting cast won, particularly Gabby Vincent, the Otto Koko Shemino. He's a Nigerian, or Egboni, Nidini Gabriel Inamdi Vincent. But America so he plays for the Nigeria basketball team. Now Gabby Vincent was dominant in the fourth quarter. There's Duncan Robinson. Robinson was also dominant in the fourth quarter. Fourth quarter when you had 10 points. So clearly it showed us something. Jimmy Butler ought city out in the first 4 minutes of the fourth quarter. But still, Miami was able to rally themselves and then overturn an 8-point deficit. No more trailing 8 points. Overturn almost stretching lead, echo double figures. So that fourth quarter blitz, it was because the supporting cast played a huge role and then say na so in the fourth quarter comparison, game 2, Miami Heat near 36 points, Denver Nuggets near 25. Then field goals attempted. Miami attempted 16 field goals or making 11. So they missed just 5 shots. But when they compare Denver Nuggets, they attempted 16 and then they made just 9. Field goal percentage 69% for the Miami Heat, 56 for the Denver Nuggets. Then from 3-point range, and this was the difference. Miami made 5 3-pointers in the fourth quarter. In fact, in this game, the 3 points separated the two sides, and then Denver Nuggets made just 3. And I'm for the key takeaways, the 3-point shooting. 3-point shooting, Denver Nuggets there, you have KCP, Mabo, Michael Porter Jr., Nikola Jokic, Jamal Murray. They are the main ones you expect to shoot accurately from distance. Over Miami Heat, they are a known 3-point shooting side. And to almost everybody on their roster, good from 3-point range. Jimmy Butler, Abama de Bayo now be excusing. But if it's Kevin Love, Duncan Robinson, Gabby Vincent, Mazzy Strauss, Caleb Martin, obey to me 2 3-pointers, and then a soldier the more. They were able to use this to their advantage and the ball. So they find an open space and more and making sure said the Denver Nuggets defenders near jumble together. Now Omato Eddie question and their 3-point game was spot on. And a boy in Kunimdiano a call Edema the Miami Heat show resilience. Now me catch your last 25 years. Oh, check it teams or Maba back Abewini abroad mutually by 10 points or more. Miami Heat will move 3 times. 2011, 2012, 2023. The only team on your Heat the Golden State Warriors. Yes. If you are playing against them, never think you have done it until the final whistle. In the San Antonio,